Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to mark a listing as pending on Facebook Marketplace. First, open your web browser. You can use Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or any browser of your choice. Now, go to facebook.com in the URL bar and press enter. If you don't have a Facebook account, click on Create New Account and follow the steps to fill in your details and sign up. Once your account is created, go back to facebook.com and log in by entering your email and password. Once you're logged into your account, go to the Facebook Marketplace by clicking on the Marketplace icon. Now, to mark a listing as pending, you need to access your Selling section. Click on the Selling tab and this will show all your active listings. Find the listing that you want to mark as pending. Click on the three dots next to the listing, which will show more options. From there, you'll see an option that says Mark as Pending. Click on that and your listing will be marked as pending. If the item becomes available again and you want to list it back on the marketplace, simply click Mark as Available and your listing will be shown to buyers again. That's how you mark a listing as pending. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.